What up, guys? I'm back with another video. So it look like y'all been liking the short videos. So just let me know if y'all like the short videos or the long videos. So today I'm gonna do a little 10-minute video. Right now I'm at this Denny's, this little Flying J truck stop. I'm in Alabama right now. Truck stop. Y'all see how they got a PlayStation and the PS4. I don't even think about play PS4 no more. They got all these. They got the massage chairs. Yeah. Little clothes and shit you can buy. Yeah, I can buy some stuff. Now this for some of the people that ain't never been to a truck stop. They be having everything you could buy for your truck. There's all the stuff for your truck right here. Yeah, they got lights and everything for the people that we want to drive trucks. And they got all the brushes you can use to wash your truck with. And your mats and stuff that be on the back of the truck. They got all your chrome pieces. Be covered lug nut covers. Right here, they got these. They want to go in the middle, and they got that one, the whole like that. This for the rear though, the rear ones, and then from the front ones. We got jewelry, you can buy clothes, showers, food. They can't. They got everything up in here. Oh, they got different things. Give me some coffee. Just the ice.
Okay. You have a nice day.
Yeah, guys, I'm finna actually go drop this load off. Well, not this load, but the empty trailer off. We finna then go pick up another one. And then, hey, got this all your stickers you can have on your truck. For you guys that wanna get into truck driving and you want to put stickers on there. Like they have stickers for people like you put on your windows, so people won't be trying to get in your truck and stuff like that too. There's some stuff for your females right here. whoever, you know what I'm saying? You can put these on your car too, though. You ain't just got to put them on your truck. So, they got the car game. I ain't like if I had time, I would play it, but I ain't got time. Not today. So, yeah, guys, so, yeah, I'm finna get this trailer to where they supposed to be going and then pick up another one. That's all I'm doing today is in Alabama, picking up empty trailers and dropping them off. Hey, I don't judge my truck now because it is dirty. Like, I had left Chicago with the snow and salt and stuff, and I ain't had time to wash my truck. So I came straight to Alabama when I left Chicago. No, I went to Memphis. I went to Memphis for like 5 hours, and then I left Memphis and came back, came down here to Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and then left Alabama and came down here to Birmingham. So right now I'm finna go to Haleyville or some shit like that. Haleyville, Alabama, and then we're gonna go leave there, go to Cover. I'll show y'all the thing in the truck. So yeah, this is my truck right there. Like, it is dirty. I need to wash it, but I ain't had time. Like, I can't wash it myself, so I ain't had time to be at home or take it to the wash place to wash it. So go wash this shit. So that's my thing. I really need to wash it, but I ain't had time. I ain't had time to wash it. So guys, that's where I'm finna go. After I drop this trailer off in Haleyville, I'm gonna go to Coleman, Alabama, and pick up another empty trailer and then go back to Haleyville. So that's what I'm doing today is I'm getting paid to pick up empty trailers, bring them back to the DC to get loaded, and then tomorrow I'm gonna get a load to where I'm going to drop a load off. So this jump about 8 minutes. Let me know. Hey, let me know in the comment section if y'all like short videos or long videos, and just and then tell me like if you like the truck driving videos or you really like the cars or you really cool with either one. So stay prayed up and live that lifestyle. This is Willie D checking out.